Hello, today is February 25th and I'm going to do another LeetCode daily challenge. So let's get into it. Maximum absolute sum of any subarray. You are given an integer array nums. The absolute sum of a subarray is nums1. Oh, nums L plus O plus 1 plus R. Oh, left to right, adding everything in between. Okay, that makes sense. Return the maximum absolute sum of any possibly empty subarray of nums. If x is a negative integer, then absolute x is equal to negative x. If x is a non-negative integer, then absolute x is x. Don't they mean the absolute of negative x is equal to x? I think this is off, right? Or if x is a negative number, then a negative times a negative is a positive. That's what they mean. Either way, absolute value will give us positive, right? Okay, so in this example, we have 1, -3, 2, 3, -4. The subarray 2, 3 has the absolute sum of 5. Okay, and then this one, 2, -5, 1, -4, 3. Off the top of my head, I feel like it's one of those problems where we kind of just do like a one pass, and I think that's what we need, right? Because the constraints give us this. So we need some sort of like linear approach. And maybe we could just like hold some like variables and just do a max. Um, Wait, running sum is 0. Um, uh, then we'll do this so that for n in nums, sum plus equal to n if wait. Actually, I think the running sum can be a couple things, right? It could either be, wait, maybe I'll draw this. I think what I'm trying to say is that if this is our array, 1, -3, 2, 3, and -4, at this index right here, at the very first one, the running sum should be either we start over, right? No, so either it's the current running sum plus n, or we start over at n, whichever is bigger, right? Because we always want the bigger one. Um, and then max. The max sum is just the max of the max sum or this running sum. And then we could just return the max sum. Right, so this would be, I think this would work if there were no negatives. So let me just, let me do a test case where there's no negatives. So it would just be like, oh wait. I don't know, we'll see. I think, actually okay, the first example should pass. So let me just run this, and I know it's wrong, but what's going on? Okay. Let me run this. I know it's wrong, but I think it'll pass the first test case. Yeah. So it passes the first test case when we don't have to consider negatives, as in the answer wasn't absolute, right? So I think all I need to do now is just have a running. I don't know what to call it. Maybe running diff is 0. Max sum is there. Max. We want something super. Running diff. The max sum is either the max sum, the running sum, or -1 times running diff. And then I want my running diff to be the min of running diff plus n, or we just start over. Okay, let's try this. Nice. Oh, okay, cool. So, right. Yeah, so actually this question's not that bad. And I explained it really bad, but much easier than yesterday's. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow.